as the governor of Meru, I am taking the fight against coronavirus very seriously. I have mobilized all available human and financial resources of the county government of Meru in this fight, and we are working very closely with the national government, which is run by the county commissioner and the county police commander. Indeed, I'm co-chairing the county emergency response committee on COVID-19 with the county commissioner of Meru, and we are doing a very, very good job. Knowing very well that COVID-19 has no cure and that we don't have enough resources in terms of doctors, trained medical personnel, and physical facilities to deal with the serious cases of COVID-19 in Meru County, we have embarked on a very intense public awareness campaign, and indeed other measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in Meru County. Our strategy is very simple. It is one of prevention. We say prevention, prevention, prevention everywhere. And that is what we are doing. In implementation of this strategy, the county government has decided to purchase water tanks, masks, sanitizers, and sprayers for bonda operators and small-scale traders in all our main markets in Meru County. We have also decided to support our frontline workers against COVID-19, including doctors, clinical officers, nurses, police officers, county enforcement officers, public health officials, and the chiefs. It is very inhuman, primitive, and Machiavellian to play dirty politics with coronavirus, which is a very serious matter, a matter of life and death. As far as we are concerned, we shall continue with the good work that we are doing. And no amount of noise, no amount of political propaganda, and no social media insults will distract us from our tireless efforts in the fight against coronavirus. We shall allocate even more resources and literally take fight to every market in Meru. We have learned that because there are no schools, we have decided that the money meant for the meal program will be diverted and taken into the fight against coronavirus. Similarly, because the polytechnics are not working, they are not open, we are also taking the money which was supposed to be for the Meru Youth Service from that youth service program, also for the fight against coronavirus. Every time we hold a function in Maua, there is a group which organizes for me to be echoed there. And I have no doubt that it is the same team, my political opponents, who are moving the same systems that they use to echo me when we do political events in Maua, to even echo me and disrupt our function yesterday. But it's very, very unfortunate because now we are not in a political campaign. We are here to save the lives of people, especially the people of the lives of our people in Maua. And that is why I'm going there yesterday. And I told them as much. So treating that as a political campaign, which will be disrupted by around the youth, I think is missing the point. And it's very, very negative. So I suspect the same people who have in the past planned to echo me in Maua are the same people who are behind this.
munene wetu County Police Commander cha dora wanda bakumanara baba mandara chakena baba narutara na nyuke kutara rugara keria wana Patrick Lumumba no to askari kenda pomba